Okay, guys, after the holidays, you have some deep cleaning to do. So, my kitchen cabinets are white. We've been here for quite some time and we've done a good job at keeping them nice and white. But these are pretty nice cabinets because if any stains get on them, like pasta sauce or anything, it's quite easy to clean up. But on the same token, you still have to stay on top of your kitchen, in terms of your cabinets, your countertops, your backsplash, underneath your microwave, your stove. So check it out. You see all the way up there where my chickens are? I need to get up there on my step ladder and clean the top of those cabinets to degrease them. So I try to do this probably every quarter. Or sometimes I might miss a quarter. But now is the time for me to get this done as we're moving into, the end of winter pretty much, maybe, I guess, because it's not that cold. So, I'm going to go around here and I have to clean all of this up. So this is what I plan to do today. So I have to clean all these cabinets off. And what I'm going to use is, some Dawn. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to use Dawn or a degreaser, but a little bit of both, I would expect. A little bit of both. And I have both here. So as you can see, there's quite a few cabinets. So I have to do all of these cabinets. So that's what I'm going to do today. And then I'm going to do the counters. I'm going to take all of this stuff off because I see my dishes in the sink from this morning. So I'm going to clean all this stuff off, try to declutter, maybe restyle it. And so I'm going to do that. I have to do my stove underneath of my microwave. And here is my project, you guys. I should be ashamed to show you all this, but look, check this out. I love to cook, been here quite some time, but look at my spice cabinet. They are everywhere. So I have cupcake paper cups in here, paper liners. And so what happens is that when I am ready to cook for something, I feel like I'm swimming in here looking for different spices. So what I'm going to do today, off camera, of course, off camera, is I'm going to take all that stuff out. And I mean, it is a boatload of spices in here, a boatload of them. So I have them up there. I have some packets from like Chick-fil-A and McDonald's, little sauce packets. And over here in this container, I have, let's look and see. I have stuff from Roy Rogers, things that I get from the Chinese store, when we go to for takeout. So, I mean, that's ridiculous, guys. So I have to clean all of that out, get rid of some that I haven't used in a while. And then I haven't even ordered this yet. I've been looking at some. I'm going to order a spice organizer from Amazon. I saw a few that I like. So that's what I plan to work on. So I'm going to clean all that out. And then once I get it organized, then I'll show you what I've done there. But this is a big task for me because, I'm not 20 years old no more. I'm not 20. So I'm not going to do this on camera. I might do a little clip of me on camera. But look, I got to get up on this step stool here. And then I have to climb all the way up here. And that's kind of tall. So sometimes what I have to do is I have to step on top of the countertops. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up the tops first. Then I'm going to do the cabinets. Then I'm going to do the backsplash. Then I'm going to do the microwave and oven. Then the countertops, I'm going to do those. And I have to come over here and do, let me just tell you something. When you get to be my age, this is quite an undertaking. So check it out. I'm going to do it off camera. I'm going to do a little bit of clip of myself up here, but it's going to take me a couple hours or so to do this. That's why I say I can only do this like once a quarter, and I might even slip a quarter. Let me know in the comments what you guys do, how you clean your kitchen up. And I'm not talking about the people that's 20 and 30, although, this is a task for them too. It's not easy. Hey, look, I think I might be moving on to getting a service to help me clean up, because it's more than a notion to clean up. But anyway, I see a lot of clean videos. Y'all got that. I'm not mad at you. But you know, it's a workout. It's a workout. So okay guys, let me get started. Okay y'all, here's my cleaning products that I'm going to be using today. So look, I'm not even going to front. I'm doing this. This is not one of my favorite things to do, is to do this deep cleaning. I don't know about everybody else, but anyway, I guess I'm still filming because am I trying to stall you guys? I'm trying to stall a little bit, but anyway, let me get started. Okay, before we do any more, okay y'all, let me see if I can get up here, show you what I'm talking about. So, okay y'all, I've cleaned the top, on the top of these cabinets. I've cleaned the outside of the cabinets and the inside and the shelves on the inside of the cabinets and the top of the microwave. And the reason why this is important to me is because this is a functional kitchen. I cook in my kitchen. So, you know, my husband cooks. You know, if my daughter comes over, she might cook something. So it's functional. So when you have a functional kitchen, you have to keep your kitchen clean. And so, you know, this is important to me. It's not like I do it every week, but it has to be done. You know, sometimes I say to myself, hey, this is for the birds. But you know what? Gotta do it. Gotta do it. Okay, guys, I've cleaned off my little chickens. They're all nice and clean, and I cleaned that vase. So now I'm gonna climb back up there to put these things back on top. And you know, I ended up having to lose the brush, and I made better progress with a Brillo pad. So that was able to get it done rather quickly. So, you know, that was a good look for me to do that. So now I have to do this side up here. Now, as far as this side over here, I might have to do that next weekend. I'm gonna clean the chickens off up there, but I'll see how I feel in a few minutes. I had to open up the door because when you're moving around like this, you know we get hot. So anyway, I'm gonna keep on progressing, guys. Okay guys, now I'm making my way down to this section. Okay y'all, I'm feeling pretty good about this. I've cleaned the stove off, inside the stove, and I specifically selected this backsplash because it's maintenance free pretty much. You wipe it off, but you know, I could have opted for something maybe a little bit more of on the glam side. However, you know, this is maintenance free. I really like it. I cleaned that off, the countertops, but I'm really happy about how the stove and the microwave turned out. It's shining up, it looks better. But again, I wanted to tell you guys that this is a functional kitchen. I do work in my kitchen. I cook guys, I cook. So anyway, I'm here on this level. And so after I move around, then I'm going to be moving down to the bottom level. And like I said, this is a lot, guys. This is a lot. And then look, I moved everything off of there. Then I have to move to the bar area, the breakfast bar area. So I have to do that. And I still haven't done over the top of those cabinets. So I said this would take 2 hours. This has taken me more than 2 hours, but at the end of the day, I'll be happy that it's done. These are the things that, hey, look, we don't like them. It's for the birds, but guess what? We have to do it. All right. Y'all, this was a workout. I'm done. I feel good. I cleaned all the tops of the cabinet, got any grease that was up there. I got that all off. Cleaned the tops of the cabinet, the top rim of these cabinets. Wiped all the cabinets down. Wiped all the backsplash off. The countertops off. And I thought I would put this plate back here in honor of next month being Black History Month. I did the stove, kind of restyled it, and just with a little bit of these little topiary plants beside the stove. A little greenery there. But I'm so glad that I got this done. I did my breakfast bar. I did that. That's all done. I cleaned off all of the cabinets down below. I cleaned all the cabinets. I did this side. I wiped all the top of my refrigerator, my vase up there, the chickens. Let me just say this. This was a flipping workout. This was a workout, guys. A workout indeed. I changed some of my plants around. I had a different plant stand there. I switched this around. So this was a workout. But guess what? Look outside. See how gloomy it is? So this is a perfect day to do this. Now, let's see what time it is. 3:20. Okay, guys, folks will be coming in soon. Then they want to, I want to fix a snack. I want to make something. Then I'll be ready to choke somebody. Look, I spent all day cleaning up this kitchen. The deep cleaning. And now you want to come in here and mess my kitchen up? Do you guys feel like that? Let me know if it's just me. Okay, so look, check it out. Now I have the Method Squirt Mop wood floor cleaner. And so now I'm getting ready to do the floors. Okay, so this is what I'm doing now. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is a workout. Okay, you all, I'm finally done. This is it. I started at about, I want to say maybe 10:30, 11 o'clock, and it's now 3:30. So it took me a long time because I had to clean the top of the countertop cabinets. I had to clean up my vases and my chickens at the top, my decor up there, the top rims of the cabinets, the fronts of all the cabinets inside the cabinets, the backsplash, the microwave, the stove, the countertops, the bottom cabinets. I swept and mopped the floor. I moved some of my plants around. So this is it, guys. I even did up here at the top. Now this area right here, I know you see that, but that's where we we have our mail. I keep my, it's still COVID, so I keep sanitizers there to wipe your phone off or, whatever, tissues. So I still have that type of stuff there, mail, because it's functional. We have to function. So we want things to look nice, but we have to function. So anyway, the Method wood floor cleaner, as you can see, that does a fabulous job. And so, that's it. Took me a little while, but it's worth it. So now I feel good and I feel free that this is done. Did all the countertops with perfect countertop. I think that's what it's called. So in any event, I restyled my countertops. Not too much, not too much, because again, like I said, it's functional. But I put a different plate there because Black History Month is coming up. So I wanted to put a different plate there. So, this is just what I do here at Jean's Home Decor and more. This is the more. This is the more. The more is cleaning up and making the home decor a nice, clean space. Okay, guys, God bless. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.